Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this effect inside 3D Max and Tyflow with simplest steps and nothing so complex. So let's just begin. As you can see, it's my 3D Max file here. Nothing so complex about this. It has three main events inside Tyflow, and let's just make it over again. Let's make a new file. We'll save this. What I'm gonna do is to make a simple box here, something like this. It's alright. Maybe lower this value here and center it. Alright, now let's just make it Tyflow and open it up. We will start with birth objects here, and add this object. We can hide this right now, and we have our Tyflow box here. And what I'm gonna do is to add a brick fracture and maybe 15 and 15 for the width and 10 for the height. It's better now. And maybe add a little variations, maybe like 10%. Let's just enable it. I will add in a spread operator, which is good like this for the beginning, and nothing happening yet. Let me just hide these slice lines here. And what I'm gonna do is to make another box, really huge box for the activator, and like this, center it up here, and do something like this, and add a little animation to this box, maybe here, and on frame 25 it will be here. Yeah, it's nice. And if I just hide this box and add a surface test, and add our box here and change the mode to volume inside and move it to new event. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, it's nice. Maybe let's add a rotation operator for more variation. Nice. It is good now. What I'm gonna do is to add a custom properties right before spread and rotations, and name it something like MTM. It's okay. And for this one, I'm gonna add a find target, and I'm gonna choose custom TM and choose my MTM, and for the target alignment as well, what's gonna happen is that they're gonna move here until they fit to their position. And what we're gonna do is to maybe tweak these values, maybe like 40, and I don't know, then it's fine. Let's see how it goes. Let me hide the first event. It's going nice. It is a nice effect already. What I'm gonna do to sell the effect, I'm gonna play with scale values to just scale up. For that, I'm gonna use scale operator, change it to absolute and 0%, and duplicate it and change it to 100, timing to continuous, and maybe 0.3 for the interpolation. Yeah, it's nice. It really goes nice, and their feet in their places, and we will have no gaps after maybe 50 frames. Yeah, it's nice. For the next effect, which is the lightenings inside, these lightenings, as you can see, what I'm gonna do is to add a spawn operator right here, spawn, and change it to by travel distance, and make it to a new event. And I will add in a stop operator and the shape as well, which is going to be the geospheres. They're so small, so let's change values. Yeah, it's okay. Spawn maybe half, and timing to continuous. Maybe half centimeter is too high, so let's change it to 1 again. Yeah, it's okay. And what I'm gonna do is to add a force operator right here and give it a little noise, maybe like 5, and 5 scale. The thing I forgot is to add a particle bind right before our force here, particle bind here, and I will turn off the proximity and turn on the bind to seal planes. And if I see how the binding shows, or maybe I will add a tie a spline or a spline path for a better view. Spline paths, create new for particle binding. Yeah, it's nice. And I will add a time test for no variation with 3 frames, and test action to delete. It will just delete all particles after 3 frames, which gives us a very lightening look, which we are seeking for. That is nice. Maybe increase our force to 1.5 maybe. Lower scale. Yeah, it is nice. I can also sorry. Yeah, it's so nice. What I'm gonna do is to choose our tile spline here, and you see it's not looking fine. It's so thick. So what I'm gonna do is to change the radius to maybe 0.1 and taper by curve, sorry, and do it something like this. It's nice. Maybe more. Maybe 0.2. And you see these artifacts here. For that, you should just go to tie spline and weld knots together. Yeah, this is nice. And you can also do this, change the spline settings from smooth to linear for more lightening look. As you can see, I prefer this one, and it's a better looking, and it really gives us this lightening effect, as you can see. If you want more lightning, you can just upper this test value to maybe 5 and maybe increase the span to something like 150 or 2 offspring, sorry. This value cannot be more than 100%, that's my bad, but you can change the offsprings to 2 and it will really gives you a very strong looking lightning effect, which you can apply a very simple V-ray. Let me just open this up. V-ray light MTL, where is it? And change it to something like blue and compensate it. And I forgot to assign this to our test plan mesh. And for the Tyflow itself, I will add a really simple V-ray material, and I forgot to add a mesh operator here and also here. We don't need this first event because these are not what we are looking for, so I'm just leaving it like this. And if I add a simple V-ray lights, and we will have this kind of effect. Let me just upper this light material to something like 5. Yeah, it's nice. As you can see, we have our render right here, nothing so complex. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I really could help you to make this effect. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.